Hello guys, this is Soumya from TechSaumya and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see what all was launched at the high-speed Apple event which took place on 13th October 2020. So let us get into it. Before we begin, please make sure to subscribe to this channel for more amazing tech content. So let us start with the Apple HomePod Mini. The Apple HomePod Mini is basically a smaller version of the Apple HomePod smart speaker. It comes with the Apple S5 chip. There's a feature in which you can connect two HomePod Minis to become a stereo speaker, and then there's a family recognition type of thing where it can recognize every person in the family's voice, and then there's intercom through which you can have an intercom system, pass on voice messages to your family and everything. And then it comes in two colors, white and space gray, and it starts from $99 in the US. I'll keep you informed about the Indian pricing on my blog, so go check, keep checking it, www.techsaumya.in. I will be posting the blog as soon as the Indian pricing comes out. So now let's talk about what everybody is most interested in, iPhones. So this year 4 new models were introduced, but first let's talk what common things does all 4 iPhones have. Number 1 is the processor, Apple A14 Bionic. It is a 6-core chip, world's first 5nm chip. Out of the 6 cores, 2 are high power cores and 4 are power efficient cores. There's a 4-core GPU and improved neural engine. Then there is ceramic shield for increased durability. Apple claims 4-time increased drop resistance, and all of them have super retina XDR displays with 1200 nits peak brightness. So now let's talk about the non-pro models first. The non-pro models are iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12. iPhone 12, they both have same dual cameras, one ultra wide 12 megapixel cameras, and they come in 4 colors, which are black, white, red, green, blue. And all of the 4 iPhones have MagSafe for which aligns magnetically, wireless charging coils and other Apple accessories. And they are also releasing a charging pad kind of thing for Apple Watch and iPhone. Also Belkin also is also working on it, which they have said. And all 4 iPhones won't include lightning headphones charger this year to for their environment concerns thing. And then there's a USB to lightning cable will be included. And the iPhone 12 mini, as I told you, 5.4 inches, and iPhone 12 is 6.1 inches. The prices are $699 for the mini, and for the normal one it's $799. So now let's talk about the flagship experience with the iPhone 12 Pro. The iPhone 12 Pro comes in 4 colors: silver, graphite, gold, blue. It is an IP68 rated phone. iPhone 12 Pro Max is 6.7 inch and Pro is 6.1 inch, again with A14 Bionic, and it has deep fusion on all 4 cameras, 3 back cameras and 1 front camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide, normal and telephoto lens, and it supports HDR video recording, and it is the first camera to record Dolby Vision HDR. And it has a LiDAR scanner for depth, AR and autofocus, which they claim 6-time improved autofocus on iPhones. And iPhone 12 Pro starts with 128 gigabytes model at $999, and iPhone 12 Pro Max starts with $1099. So yeah, this year's iPhone, all iPhones are 5G supported, which is a big leap for Apple, and I guess they could have improved the designs a little bit, but feature wise they have improved iPhones significantly. As Tim Cook said, it is a big leap for Apple. So yeah, and that's all that was released today at the high speed Apple event. So yeah. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do not forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel.